Hello friends, welcome to Professional World. Now we will see how to use VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP functions in MS Excel. The main difference between VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP is VLOOKUP function is used for retrieving the data from vertical tables and HLOOKUP formula is used for retrieving data from horizontal tables. Now I will show you the difference. In VLOOKUP, the data will be in vertical. Now I have prepared some data of school like students and their marks in subjects. So I have prepared the data for 50 students based on the roll number from 101 to 150 and their names and the marks in the subjects and total marks and percentage. Now I will show you now we would like to check the marks of the student based on the roll number. Now I will show you how to use the formula. Now first I will delete the formula. So first we need to retrieve the data of the student name based on the roll number by using VLOOKUP function. So we will use the VLOOKUP function, VLOOKUP, and lookup value is always roll number because we are searching based on the roll number, and table array. Table array is the total data of the 50 students. Yes, till here. And next is column index number. The column index number is the heading. Now we are looking for the student name, so it is the second column index number. So we need to type 2, and what we are going to search for, approximate match or exact match. We need to search for exact match, so we need to enter 0. If you want to search for approximate match, we need to enter 1, but here we have exact data, so we need to enter 0. Okay, close the bracket and enter. Now we got the name of student, Alia. The roll number is 144. Just we will check it, 144. The student name is Alia. Now I have entered the same formula for everything. Now you can see VLOOKUP, and here Telugu index number is 3. Just I have changed the formula is index number 3. Here also I have just changed the index number 4. Here 5. Here index number is 6. Here column index number is 7, 8. Total marks, it is column index number 9, and here it is 10. Now I have added one more option here, grade. The grade for by using a formula of if. So if it is percentage is more than 70, the grade is A, and if it is 60 to 70, grade is B, and if it is 50 to 60, grade C, and 40 to 50, it is D. So if less than 40, it comes under fail. Okay. Now if you change the roll number, we'll just check here. I will type 136. Student name is Salman, and total marks is 456, and percentage is 76. Okay, we will cross check with this one. 136. Okay, student name is Salman, 456, percentage is 76. Check it here, Salman, 456, 76. Yes, that is correct. Now we will check in HLOOKUP. In HLOOKUP, the data is same, but it is transposed. Earlier, like in VLOOKUP, the data is in vertical form, but here the entire data is in horizontal form. So for that HLOOKUP, the formula is different. Now I will delete this formula. The same thing, we need to get the data of student name based on the roll number using HLOOKUP. I will use the HLOOKUP. Lookup value is the roll number, and table array is same as that one. And in HLOOKUP, we need to search for row index number. Earlier in VLOOKUP, we used to search for column index number, but here it is different. We need to search for row index number. Here student name is row index is 2. Okay, and range lookup, we need to search for exact match, so I am typing 0, close the bracket, enter. Now I got the student name as Sharath. Just check it. Now 112, student name is Sharath and marks are 450 and percentage is 75. Marks are 450 and percentage is 75. And I will also write the formula for grade. Just look here by using if function. If it is blank, then it is blank, and otherwise if it is greater than 70, it is grade A, and if it is greater than 60, it is B. If this greater than 50, C. If it is greater than 40, greater than or equal to 40, then grade D. Otherwise fail. Okay, we need to close the brackets. Okay, all the brackets are closed. You see percentage is 75, so it is A. I have used the same formula like row index number. Here it is 3, and for Hindi subject it is the row index number is 4. Just like here you can see here, for student name it is row index number is 2 and 3, for Hindi 4, for English 5, Math 6, like this. Okay, now we will change one more, and it is 122. It is Yuvraj. Okay, and marks are we can just change it to 2 digits. Okay, marks are 466 and percentage is 77.67. we will just look it for 122. Okay, here you can see, and Yuvraj and marks are 466, percentage is 77.67. okay, and grade is A because of percentage is more than 70. okay, now I think you have got the idea of VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. The main difference is VLOOKUP is for retrieving the data from vertical tables, and HLOOKUP is used for retrieving the data from horizontal tables. Okay, I hope you like the video. Thank you. Please like, comment and share this video with your friends, and subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.